Gender-based violence is defined by the United Nations as any act of violence that results in physical, sexual, or psychological harm or suffering to women, girls, men, and boys, as well as threats of such acts, coercion, or the arbitrary deprivation of liberty. Gender-based violence, also known as GBV, refers to any act that is perpetrated against a person's will and is based on gender norms and unequal power relationships. It includes physical, sexual, emotional, or psychological violence, as well as harmful traditional practices. According to the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, gender-based violence occurs in every country, territory, and region of the world. The situation of gender-based violence is quite bad. According to the Nigeria Demographic and Health Survey NDHS 2018, rather than get better, the percentage of women aged 15 to 49 who have experienced physical violence since age 15 increased from 28% in both 2008 and 2013 to 31% in 2018. Some states of the Federation, however, have prevalence rates that are higher than the national rate of 31%.
Okay, so I think that things are bad generally in the country. I mean, every day you hear of incidents happening. You hear of father defiling their daughters, family relations, raping, and defilements and all sorts. But I think as bad as it is, we have a system in place that has that response. And because people have been speaking out, the situation looks bad. Unlike in the past where people just keep it to themselves and because of social stigma and cultural beliefs, people don't come forward. Now we have people coming forward and it now makes it look bad, but then it's good that people are coming forward to state their cases. And the state government is being responsive. We're taking actions. We just 2 days ago, we got a judgment of a father that defiled his daughter and was sentenced to 40 years imprisonment. So things are looking good. Yes, it's bad, but things are looking good because the state government is taking actions and is zero tolerance to all issues of sexual and domestic violence.
This global problem is currently being addressed by different organizations at national, regional, and global levels. The European Union and the United Nations have embarked on a new global multi-year initiative focused on eliminating all forms of violence against women and girls.
The Center for Women's Health and Information is currently implementing a project called Project Strength within the Spotlight Initiative. The Spotlight Initiative is a global initiative that is being supported by the United Nations and the European Union. Today we just finished a 2-day workshop with law enforcement agents like the police, the civil defense, officers of the Civil Defense Corps, the Lagos State Neighborhood and Safety Corps. And for 2 days, we've been talking about their role. We've exposed them to the laws, the existing laws that addresses the issue of gender-based violence. We've exposed them to the data to let them know how bad the situation is, and that we all as stakeholders have a great role to play in ensuring that we stop this menace. If you look at what the data is saying, a very high percentage of those who are defiled or raped, they are young girls. We have more girls that are vulnerable compared to boys. So it's a serious issue. It's a global problem. There's a global response, and as such, all the stakeholders that have one role or the other to play need to step up their act so that we can reduce this menace. We're also raising awareness in the community, amongst community people, so that they can know the law, they can know their rights, they can know where to go when they have this kind of cases. Today we were in Sabo Market in Ikorodu, talking to the market women and men, letting them know how bad the situation is and why they need to speak out when such things happen, why they need to support the law enforcement agents in doing their work by giving the right information and by reporting when they hear of such cases.
People should not have the impression that should be trained on how to attend to house chores. It is very wrong.
If you are listening to me out there and you are going through any form of domestic violence, please come to Italewa every Tuesdays we sit and come and make a formal complaint and we'll take it up from there. You are not paying a kobo.
We are encouraging you to speak out. We are encouraging you to make a move. We are encouraging you to share your problem. We are encouraging you not to die in silence.
Individuals can partake in the prevention of sexual and gender-based violence by speaking out and challenging discrimination, supporting survivors of violence and abuse, linking them up with points where they can access appropriate and professional services, defending the vulnerable, promoting culture shift, social norms change, and helping to change mindsets. We all need to spread the word, raise awareness amongst friends, neighbors, colleagues, community members, using different age-appropriate methods, and very importantly, we need to give time, financial, and other resources to the cause of the vulnerable.